check out how rusty this tank was inside and then how amazingly clean it is when we're done. Here's a 1978 Honda CB750 gas tank. You can see some orange there. That's not rust, that's actually brazing when they put that part into the tank. This one came in from St. Paul, Minnesota. Really nice, clean tank. No liner inside, so we didn't need the burn oven. See, it's clean. That's just the rust damage to the metal, but clean. Now, as with a lot of tanks, as nice as this is, after cleaning, find a few pinholes. And if you look, you can see somewhere there, that little white spot. Those white spots are light coming through. I'm going to show you a different way. Put a light into the tank here, and now you can see just a few pinholes. The light coming through. See, there, right there, another one right there. So those were not really evident before cleaning, but now that it's clean, you can see just a few holes to fill. This one, we had the little lid there, we cleaned that. Again, CB78 CB750. So putting some light onto it there, you can see the pinholes from the outside. There, there, there. I think there's even a couple way down here, but in the dark, you put the flashlight shining into the tank, and they become evident really quickly.